मेघालय के एनसीपी विधायक सेलिन सांगमा ने कहा है कि टीएमसी कांग्रेस के 12 विधायकों को अपने खेमे में कर प्रदेश में अपना खाता खोल तो लिया है, लेकिन लोगों का विश्वास जीतने के लिए पार्टी को चने चबाने होंगे। उन्होंने कहा कि टीएमसी बंगाल आधारित पार्टी है और पार्टी को लोगों का विश्वास में लेने के लिए यहाँ के एजेंडा को समझना पड़ेगा। टीएमसी मतदाताओं को हल्के में नहीं ले सकती है।
People perceive that TMC as a Bengal party, especially in Meghalaya. So that way, there might be some kind of a negative thought in the minds of the the northeastern people. Whereas in the meantime, we are fighting for this ILP, okay, inner line permit. In the meantime, we are having this CAA also. So that way, some kind of misunderstanding might be there. Now, if TMC wants to grow their party within the state, they have to start from the scratch. See, they have to make the people understand. Just because few MLAs they have joined doesn't mean that all of their voters have gone with them. So you cannot take the people from the state for granted.
वहीं पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री मुकुल सांगमा सहित कांग्रेस छोड़ टीएमसी में शामिल हुए विधायकों को लेकर उन्होंने कहा कि एक से दूसरे पार्टी में शामिल होने वाले हमेशा लोगों के विश्वास जीतेंगे, ऐसी संभावना नहीं है। मुकुल सांगमा का उल्लेख करते हुए कहा कि उन्होंने एनपीपी छोड़ कांग्रेस में शामिल हुए और अब कांग्रेस छोड़ टीएमसी में शामिल हुए हैं। उन्होंने कहा कि मुकुल सांगमा गारो हिल्स के कद्दावर नेता नहीं है, जैसे कि पीए सांगमा हुआ करते थे।
You cannot predict precisely about what people are thinking about. What is the people's perception? Just because few followers, are speaking about that. Okay, this was PA Sangma's all party. Now we will back with the PA Sangma's party because Dr. Mukul is not PA Sangma. PA Sangma has got some charm, but whether Dr. Mukul can replicate or reciprocate that particular quality that PA Sangma has, so it's a big question.
और मेघालय में कांग्रेस को एक और बड़ा झटका लगा है। बुधवार को पार्टी के कार्यकारी अध्यक्ष जेम्स लिंगदो ने अपने पद से इस्तीफा दे दिया है। उन्होंने पार्टी के अंतरिम अध्यक्ष सोनिया गांधी, पार्टी प्रभारी मनीष चतरथ और पार्टी के प्रदेश अध्यक्ष विंसेंट पाला को अपना इस्तीफा भेज दिया है।
They have already sent a letter to Delhi that to remove me from the working president. So immediately I have to tell. When Palak called me a few days back, James, honestly I am asking you, you will be in the Congress or you will leaving the Congress? I said, I've already 33 years, you want to chuck me out? Then I said, why Manishi come to Shillong? He didn't have the guts to call me. I'm waiting for the call till yesterday from Manish. Then today I have to come. He don't call me. But before he become an in charge, every day he called me. I attended every Zoom meeting right from 2018. Any party meetings in Delhi, none of the president attend. I attend.
और पत्रकारों को संबोधित करते हुए जेम्स लिंगदो ने कांग्रेस के प्रदेश नेतृत्व और हाईकमान पर सवाल खड़े किए हैं।
The day which they have already appointed, and after a few days they were telling me what to do. I don't know anything. There, what are their plan? They plan to go in there, here and there. I don't know. You can ask from them only. But we see that under the leadership of the present leadership in the state and the central Congress, I think is very difficult to come back, either in center or in the state.
उन्होंने कहा कि उन्हें पद की कोई लालसा नहीं है, वे एक कार्यकर्ता बनकर रहने में खुश हैं।
I don't want to become a president, I don't want to become an MLA, I don't want to become MDC, I don't want to become chief minister, I don't know. I am a worker, I said, a grassroots worker. See, if I'm eyeing for that, no. Right from before, I've contested 2013 when Dr. Friday Lindo has, when Dr. Friday Lindo term is over, that time my conscience is there. But I'm not eyeing, I don't want nomination or whatever term also I don't want. I want to work for the party.
Were you under pressure from Mughal Sangma and team?
Huh?
They pressured you to.
No. I don't meet them. I don't have anything with them. They will do their own way. I will do my own way.